Go back and take a left. But there is no left. We don't know where to go. Google Maps. Why? Why Google Maps? Whether we'll reach today or will not reach today. Devaramane. I don't know whose money it is.
Let's hope for the
Yeah,
best. We'll
chalo.
take this road as per the locals and not take the highway and see where we'll head to. So guys, today is the new day and we have headed towards to explore one new place in Mudigere called as Devaramane. It's a well-known place among South Indians, especially Bangalore side, and it is known for its magical view, mist all around. We have heard that there's mist all around the place throughout the year. So, but according to the weather report, it's going to rain today. But if it rains, it will be hard for us to shoot. We are hoping it doesn't rain much and we can get a good view. Let's see what happens.
We are in Ujire and we came to this restaurant,
Alli Mane.
Halli Mane, and it is one of the like unique restaurant, I would say, right? It has all these artifacts and unique what you call antique items. So you have that 90s phone.
Yeah, and old cameras. And Alli Mane is basically a Kannada word which Halli means village and Mane is house.
And the washroom was very nice. I don't
Yeah.
know. Gents' washroom was very nice. How was your?
Yeah, even the girls' washroom, ladies' washroom was really good. Basically, we were in search of washrooms only, which we didn't find in our way, and we ended up here, and we got to see many things else also.
This is a bit nice. Like you get all the foods here, veg, non-veg, and you don't get breakfast here. So if you're coming here, I'll leave the link below. You don't get breakfast here, but you get all the other non-veg items. And we have ordered pori roti and some chicken kebab. So we thought we'll have an early lunch. So Aisha's made some sandwich. So probably we'll eat it on the hilltop. It'll be a little picnic.
Make a U-turn, then turn left.
Hey, just what happened?
I think we are lost. Here it says go back and take a left. But there is no left.
We were officially lost, all because of this man. This man driving.
Not me, not
It is because of him. Because Google Maps showed us two ways. One via Charmadi road and which we are currently in because of this man. This man over here.
nobody knew. Even she didn't know that it doesn't go or it goes.
No, but Google.
It is not because of it, it's because of Google.
No, Google suggested us to take Charmadi road, which was around 68 km from Alli Mane restaurant. But there was another way which was around 48 kilometers, and they just suggested that we would take that. And then we asked somebody over here whether this is the right road. So they said this road doesn't go to Devaramane. So we are again going back to the main road and taking the Charmadi Ghat road.
We are in an entrance which says it goes to Devaramane.
12
12
kilometers.
kilometer. It is 2:30 now. We left Ujira at 11:30. It's
Yeah.
3 hours and we have not still reached. And but in Google Maps it shows still 23 kilometers. 28 kilometers, right? But this one shows 12 kilometers. We asked few locals. They said this way goes. God knows. this is fully foggy and you can't see, like visibility is very low. But being said that, it's again a different feeling out here, and in the quiet weather, like literally there is literally any people around here.
It's just nature's silence that we are enjoying.
5 minutes into the trek and we are at top. And the wind has really picked up. And the wait is over, and the mist has gone away for some time. We have waited for like 2 hours, right?
Yeah. So when we came that time, it was completely misty over here. It was completely covered. We couldn't see anything. So we thought we'll go on top and check the view. Now when we were coming back after almost 2 hours, the mist is cleared and we are getting a proper view of this lake.
It's like a cloud. You're in the cloud. It's like a lake in the cloud, literally.
Does something like that exist?
I don't think that camera will do justice for this place. So the main part is the road leading to this. If you put it in Google, it's gonna show you the wrong way, right?
Yeah.
Two times, not even once. 2 times it was showing the wrong way, but somehow we reached here. And if you have watched this video till here, please consider subscribing and please like and comment.
And do follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram ID is over here. So we'll be daily updating some stories about travel.
9:45 Saturday, Friday 12th, that
Friday?
September 26th. Sorry, Saturday is September 20th. Tavarakere.
Gudikere, Gudikere.
Huh?
Gundalkere. You Google it. Experience, as I said earlier. There's a
She is freezing. My camera lens is freezing. I mean, fogging up.